Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if taking care of your teeth is as important to you as it is to me, then you're going to be blown away by this simple and effective manual toothbrush that I got from Nano-b. At first, I thought the design on these was not going to be enough to really make my teeth feel sparkling clean, but I was so wrong. The double bristle design is perfect for not just getting the surface of your teeth, but also the little bristles get in between your teeth and actually give you the feeling like you flossed. Now, that doesn't mean you shouldn't be flossing. The other part of these toothbrushes that make them so special is because they're infused with charcoal. Now, that's actually going to help to polish away stains on your teeth, make them appear whiter and brighter. And it's infused with gold, which makes me feel like royalty. This helps your toothbrush to stay cleaner, which of course is what you want when you're brushing your teeth. You don't want to be using a dirty, nasty toothbrush. I have sensitive gums and I'm very particular about the type of bristle that I use on my toothbrush. And this is a medium soft bristle with a small head. And I found that it doesn't irritate my gums at all. In fact, they feel so good. Total bonus is that each toothbrush comes with its own individual travel case. This is so nice for on-the-go use. I'm obsessed with these toothbrushes. I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.